Hey, what's going on, guys? Got another video here for you today. I just got home from work and realized that my package that I ordered, and as you can see from the title of the video, is here. It's arrived. I'm so happy right now. It's hard to keep myself together. My car will finally be a little bit louder than stock, which is miserable, to be honest. These Jettas are so quiet, but let me just show you what I got here. There she is. I'm just gonna do like a little unboxing. I'm gonna take this thing downstairs and show you guys what's inside. All right, guys, so I got the box downstairs. As you can see, it's the AWE, and it's the track with the silver tips for my Jetta 1.4 turbo, okay? Oh, and by the way, this is my son's build we got going on. Nice little Hot Wheels, teaching him about engines and spark plugs and all that good stuff. Let's open this box up, see what we got. Purchase price of this was $680 after taxes. So let's see what we got. The paper. All right, first box is Unlock Performance. AWE to actual piping. Nice. I'm a welder, so I'm just going over and looking at the welds here. Some spatter on the pipes. Definitely wasn't cleaned, like brushed or anything like that. Just welded and then plopped in the box. Got a little what is this? Serial number and just like a brand, plate on there, TIG welded. Looks pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. Good quality stainless. But yeah, these are definitely MIG welded, so very fast process welds. Here's the other section. Yes, this go right there, like that. Another section of pipe. And they're all tagged as well, which is pretty nice. Another elbow. 82.5. Okay, this hanger's TIG welded out. Pretty good. Decent weld there. And I believe this is the resonator. Yeah, the mid resonator. So almost positive, right? Yeah, it's gotta be. So I gotta go look at my car now and see how this all is going to fit up and line up. I'm super excited, and yeah, I think that's it. All right, so we'll open up the small box that it came with. I assume these are the tips and clamps, because there's none in the big box. So let's open this box up. Ooh, okay. Some nice foam padding. They got me a lollipop. What? Do you guys see this? Oh, there's a lollipop. That's awesome. And then the tips, which are polished tips, chrome. Oh wow, they look awesome. Got the AWE tuning. I don't know if you guys can see that. It should be clear enough. But yeah, sweet tips. I think these are 3-inch tips. They look beefy. Clamps on this bag here. Okay. There it is. Installation instructions. Nice. Sweet. So you just scan this code, and then I guess it pops up on your phone. That's awesome. Wow. Come look at the exhaust, buddy. Is that cool or what?
It's cool.
See all the pipes? Now I gotta show you the best part. Ready? Come here. Open this box.
Okay.
You just pull it from right there.
What is that?
That's I knew you would notice that first. It's a lollipop. Isn't that funny? They gave me a lollipop with my exhaust.
You ordered?
No, I don't want it, buddy. You can have it.
What one is it?
I don't know.
Let's see.
Watermelon, nice. But
Yeah.
dude, look at these exhaust tips.
Yeah,
Look how cool they
I
are.
didn't know it came with an iPad.
Look how big they are. They're bigger than your head.
Wait, okay.
Look inside.
I like the other one too.
Pretty cool, huh, buddy?